When searching for programs to do with EI, I wanted to find one that, would provide me the set of skills that I need for my future.
I wanted to develop my skills as being a leader, and I was looking to get more involved on campus and meet new people who share my common interests. I was also very excited about going on the trip to Florida with the Eisenhower Institute because it is a good opportunity for research experience.
The program was focused on environmental issues that we as a group were passionate about and wanted to solve, and this program wasn't just about learning about those environmental issues. It was about learning about them, creating a solution, and finding the reasons why this problem was happening.
This year's environmental leadership program wanted to take an environmental justice approach. Essentially, they wanted to find whether or not minority groups were having disparate access to environmental amenities in Palm Beach County.
Going to Florida and applying what we were learning and creating as a research project all year was surreal and more than I could have ever imagined. I really enjoyed the hands-on research.
Our research team looked at a 10-mile strip of beaches in South Florida in Palm Beach County. We used a methodology called SOPARC, which was developed by the RAND Corporation to study people in recreational settings. Our group wanted to study whether or not the legally enforced segregation laws had been replaced by parking restrictions that were having a similar effect, that is, restricting minority residents to a very small area of public beaches.
One of my biggest takeaways was learning and developing research on how the history of segregation has created systemic racism, specifically in Palm Beach County today. This plays a huge role in accessibility to public beaches for differing social demographics. It was very eye-opening while being there and actually visually experiencing how difficult it is for minorities who do not own condominiums and houses on the beach to access.
And so going on the trip definitely opened my eyes to the realities of the world. There are many different aspects of social justice.
A problem can be caused by the town's history or a place's history, socioeconomic factors of the people involved, both that are being affected by an issue or that are causing the issue, and that hidden factors like parking access to beaches.
We hope to share our findings with local public officials, making them aware of this environmental justice issue. We also hope to propose policy suggestions that could help address this issue by increasing parking availability and access to minority residents in Palm Beach County.
So that was my biggest takeaway from environmental leadership, that a problem is systemic and it can be solved. It just takes a lot of effort and time.